So when I set this tile here, I knew that it was, these were misaligned. So I intentionally made a very narrow, I set it where there's a narrow grout line here, which I'll widen. But the reason that these were misaligned is because over here, this tile on the step is farther this way than this one. So that caused this one to be misaligned, pushed back a little bit. Anyway, I'll just widen this grout line here. Today I'm having these two windows replaced with much more energy efficient windows, which was good because this is the south facing side of the house, and they'll be it's called picture windows. So there won't be any way to open them. There won't be a divider there where one window slides to the left or right. So here's something that's kind of strange. This switch for the ceiling fan in this bedroom was loose when I first got the house back. Well, the distance between that bolt and that bolt is 4 inches. But on this box, the distance between the opening for the bolt there and here on this box is 3 3/8. So I got to open up this wall, replace this box with something that'll fit this. Interesting. I need to reconnect the switch for the ceiling fan in this bedroom, but this box is loose here. So I'm going to drill, and the stud's over here that's connected, I'm going to drill a hole right here and put a screw in there so that that box doesn't move. So it's hard to get an angle on that wall of that box, so I use my Dremel to at least get something started. I got something of a hole started. Yeah, that'll work. I'm gonna try the drill. I got a bit of a hole started. I just need to make it bigger. Okay, now I've got a hole drilled in that outlet box. I'm going to pre-drill a hole for the screw. See if I can get this guy in there. Alright, I got a screw in there to hold that box, so I can put the switch for the ceiling fan back in there.